In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Shopify email app in your online store. Whether you're looking to boost your marketing strategy, stay connected with your customers, or you simply want an easy way to manage email campaigns directly from Shopify, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Shopify Email is a powerful built-in tool, and once it's set up properly, it can help you drive more engagement and repeat sales without relying on third-party software. So let's get everything configured the right way. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you're there, type Email and press Enter. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. In the search results, you'll see the Shopify Email app appear. Go ahead and click on it to open the app page. Installing this app is essential because it allows you to create, manage, and send email campaigns seamlessly from within your Shopify store. Next, click on the Install button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Shopify keeps this process very simple and user-friendly, so there's nothing technical to worry about here. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice that the Shopify Email app now appears in the left-hand panel of your dashboard. This means the app is active and ready to use. Click on it to open the app and begin setting things up. Now you're ready to create your first email template. Inside the Shopify Email app, click on Create Template. You'll be presented with options to either choose from pre-designed templates or code your own email if you prefer more customization. These templates are designed to look professional and work well on both desktop and mobile, so they're perfect if you want something quick and effective. Pick the option that best fits your brand and move forward. To make the process smoother, here's a few quick tips. Make sure you already have your brand assets ready, such as your logo, product images, and email text. Having these prepared in advance can save you time and help you avoid unnecessary back-and-forth edits. Once you've selected a template, start customizing it by adjusting the layout, text, colors, and images to match your brand style. Shopify's editor makes this very intuitive, so you can see changes in real time. After editing your email, click on Send Test to send a preview to your own inbox. This step is really important because it lets you check formatting, links, and overall appearance before sending it to customers. Once everything looks good, you're officially ready to start using Shopify Email to connect with your audience and grow your store. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have the Shopify Email app set up and ready to use quickly and efficiently. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If this video helped you get started with email marketing on Shopify, feel free to share it with others who might need it too. Why not make someone's day a little easier? Keep optimizing your store, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.